Speak or pass. Listen carefully and learn to play this game. Teacher, form a circle. Now I will point to any one of you and say a word. You must say a related word in 10 seconds. Otherwise, you have to say, pass. Then I will point to someone else. If you give a proper word, we will clap for you. Then you get to point to someone else and say a new word. And the game will continue. Ready? Teacher points to Smita. Apple. Smita. Sweet. Points to Neha. Coffee. Neha. Drink. Neha points to Swapnil. Elephant. Swapnil. Neha. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swapnil. Pass. Neha. Points to Rishi. Elephant. Rishi. Big.